Napakababa nga lang ng down payment required, malilipatan mo pa to agad-agad. Plus, may 400 up to 800,000 discount ka pa. And complete finish na rin to upon turnover kasama ang fence and gate. Kaya wala ka nang iisipin upon turnover sa'yo. Best part, few minutes away lang to from Evia. Accessible lang din going to Alabang, Makati, Taguig, Airport at Metro Manila. So paano? Continue watching. Baka ito na ang unit na para sa pamilya mo bago matapos ang year 2025. Hi, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another premium home tour. And this is our Kathleen Place 5. And yes, naka-promo tayo ulit kung saan naka-low down payment tayo at napakalaki ng discount natin for our ready for occupancy unit na parang naka-rent to own ka na nga. Dahil kayang-kayang malipatan to in less than 2 to 3 months, kaya naman bakit ka pa magre-renta kung kaya mo naman magkaroon ng sariling bahay. And this unit is a sample corner lot kung saan napakalaki ng extra lote na meron ka at may provision ka na rin for 1 to 2 carport. Kaya naman kung ang target mo ay corner lot unit o di kaya end lot, then this is the perfect house or video for you. Lot area starts at 60 up to 120 square meters at ang floor area naman ay 101 up to 118 square meters. Yes, complete finish na to upon turnover. Even the kitchen cabinets at cabinets sa bawat kwarto ay kasama na rin. So basically, lilipatan mo na lang din talaga to. Ang modern ng layout, napakataas ng floor to ceiling height at guaranteed quality materials din ang ginamit ng ating developer. For as low as 186 cash out nga for a standard inner lot, pwede mo na agad to malipatan basta approve ka na ng bank. And kung corner lot naman, around 300,000 na ang required down payment natin. Sulit na to, kaya wag mo nang palagpasin at baka maubusan ka pa ng unit. Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon sa tripping. Paalam!